All right, here we go on another project. Before I get started on any projects, I totally need to make this disclaimer. All right, so I never said I knew what I was doing. I never said I used any high quality parts. This is purely for entertainment and for knowledge. Maybe someone out there might have an idea or want to know how to do something or know how to do something without making mistakes or see what kind of mistakes could possibly go wrong. And that is the purpose of all my videos, for entertainment, for knowledge, and yeah, that's about it. So remember, I don't know what I'm doing. I never said I did. I never said I used high quality parts. I make a lot of mistakes, so you guys can learn from my mistakes on what not to do. Also, if you copy me and something goes wrong, it's your fault, not mine. I never told you guys to copy me. Again, entertainment and knowledge based information or mess ups, whatever, I don't know. And the video that you guys are about to see is real. This really did happen, and it sucks, but I'll keep you guys posted on all the outcomes. All right, here's the video. All right, here we go. Project time again. Well, it's gonna rain, so I gotta make this quick. I'll explain the thumbnail that you guys saw, and yes, it is true. Before I get back on the project for the yellow 34, let me get out of the wind. I don't know if you guys can see me in the darkness, but today's project is going to be real fast. I figure I'll take 5 minutes just to explain some things. For this project, my dash cover is faded really bad. I don't know if you can see this, but compared to the bottom where it's supposed to be black, the top is faded. It's almost white. So I need to spray the dash cover. The what is it? Oh, the Duplicolor, yeah. So I used the Duplicolor on the interior of the 34 and it came out freaking good. So I figured, what the heck, I might as well try it on the dash cover. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm hiding from the wind and the rain. So I'll explain a little. This should only be a 5-minute video. I'll explain a little about the thumbnail. Yes, it is true. You did see the thumbnail, and damn it, my 34 got seized. This is something that I've been preaching to a lot of people, why you should use a licensed broker, importer that knows what the hell they're doing. Now, at any time, even if you're just shipping a vehicle or even a package, Homeland Security, Customs, since 9/11 has fallen under the federal government. I mean, I think it was always under them, but they have more jurisdiction. Anyway, so at any given time, they have the right to practically take whatever is yours. And this time they did. It's luckily that I have Aaron. He is working on the paperwork. It's a big mess. So at any given time, Customs has the right to seize your property, no matter what. Whether it's in a container, whether it's a little package, they do have that right to seize it. Here's the messed up part. Now, they want to rip everything apart and inspect it as much as they want. It's just like how you guys see on Border Wars. Yes, they can tear apart the tank, they can tear apart the tires, they can cut everything, cut open the seats if they wanted to. Will they go that far? I don't know. I seriously doubt it. So they have the container in their facility. I cannot be there. The container will be opened by their personnel, and I will get charged for their personnel. Not only do I have to wait and go upon their schedule, and they can take however long that they want. It takes manpower to unload the container, pull everything out, sort everything. And I am liable, or Aaron, one of us, is liable for their man hours. Who knows how much that could turn out to be? Thousands of dollars. They could have one person pull out everything. They could have 100 people. I don't know. I'm not there. Another thing, they are not responsible nor are they liable for any damages. They can drive the car right out without a forklift, just smash it on the ground. Tough luck for me. So I am stressing out a lot over this seizure. I don't know how long they're gonna have it. The car was supposed to have been here next week, I think, but like I said, we did get word that it is being detained, whatever that means. I don't know. Usually that means I'm arrested when I'm detained. Anyway, so yeah, that's the part of having a licensed broker and importer. Now, this has happened before to someone else, I'm not going to say who, that was bringing in tires, a whole container full of tires, and the government said nope, it's ours, and they took it and you'll never see it again. Talk about stress. Damn. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little maintenance on the 4Runner today, change the oil, change the plugs and all that kind of stuff before I get started on the 34. Just want to make this quick fast video for you guys, warning you, if you do this on your own, you run the risk of having your property seized by the United States government. And luckily, not luckily, but they just might, and unfortunately for me, they did. Anyway, I gotta get on this truck. Just wanted to let you guys know to be careful, watch out. Like I said, if you do it on your own, you run that risk, and that's the risk you have to be willing to take. And luckily, I do have Aaron who can help me out. I also need to let you guys know that I will be doing a full build of the 34, of course, but I just got word today that Freedom Designs is finished with my Z-Tune kit. So I'll try to put in some pictures later on another video, I don't know. But the kit is ready. It will be sent to Movas Global. That's the Haioku videos that you guys see on Instagram. Check him out. The link is in the bottom. The body kit is being sent to Shaun at Movas Global, and it will be sent over in another container. All right, I need to get on this project. I'll be right back. Here's a real good look at the color difference before I spray it. That's too funny. So let me use this Duplicolor vinyl and fabric spray this up, and I'll show you guys the end result. And just like that. It's a nice flat black. They do have several other colors: beige, tans, gray, gloss black, flat black, and a couple others I forgot. But I'm gonna let that sit there for about an hour, and then you just put it on, and that's about it. Meantime, I'm gonna change the oil and spark plugs and service my 4Runner really quick. So I'll be back again. All right, that is it for this project. The dash is done, the engine is serviced, and I'm done for today. So the purpose of this video was just to inform you guys and give you guys some knowledge as far as what could happen, and apparently the worst has happened to me. I will keep you guys updated as far as the outcomes, the process, the procedures, if any fines were imposed on me, monetary or whatever. I don't know. I've never had this happen. So I guess I'll find out, and I'll try to bring you guys on this journey. I just want to take 2 minutes out of your guys' time to let you know, please, please, please be careful, because stuff does happen and it could happen to you. Be prepared, be knowledgeable, find out the worst case scenarios in all of your endeavors, and maybe, I don't know, maybe one day things like this won't happen. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I get started on the yellow 34. I'll update you on everything that's going on with this red 34 and the problems and another airplane. I will keep you guys updated and informed as far as if there's any monetary fines that have been assessed to me or Aaron. yeah, I don't know. This is gonna be a first. I'll try to bring you guys along with this chaos that I'm in. I've been in worse. Anyway, thanks everybody for sticking around. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow on the 34 project.